Yo, good morning everybody. Kia ora anō. How we doing? Sorry I'm late. It's shitty weather here. Shitty weather here. And how we doing today? Smashed redeem. What's that? Is that new super something feature that's go TikTok live? My phone's charging. Yeah, I'll go live soon. But yeah, there's a new feature on Twitch that just got added today. I already knew about it like 2 weeks ago because Twitch ambassadors get to talk about it. But haven't really had a look at what it does. How are we doing today? Voldo over on YouTube. Good morning, my brother. Yeah, she's a bit of a shit day today, chat. I won't lie to yous. I wasn't gonna stream today. I was not gonna stream today. One of my yo, brother Mance, thank you very much for the 47 months, my brother. Good to see you again, my G. How are you? Kia ora, kia ora. What's up, Freya? Yeah, I was in I seen your warlock last night too. Strong as. Yeah, I wasn't gonna stream today. One of my Koros unfortunately passed away last night. So I think after the stream today, I'm gonna head out to the family and go be with them for the night. Yeah, one of my grandfathers passed away last night. But he was going through it health-wise too. Yeah, fixed the roof, but oh, true. Yeah, I wasn't gonna stream today, but I know he would have growled me for not for not working. So all today's work is dedicated to him. I'm kind of just on standby for now to see what the heps are, and then go to from there. Morning, Hawaiian boy. Morning, brother. Thank you, Volda. Hey, morning, Rude Viking. How are you, my bro? Yeah, bro. It's been heavy rain. Heavy rain at the moment, my bro. Cheers, guys. Yeah, I'm just on standby for now. My mum's gonna message me to see what the heps are. I think he might be getting buried tomorrow, so it's gonna be a relatively quick funeral. Hello, Poke. Just sharpening up this round for now. Whether or not I use it, I'm not too sure. So we'll ease our way into the stream today. Is that new feature popping up for you guys on my chat, guys? The super thing? I haven't actually looked into it. Yo, what up, Barakuro? Gosh, a lot of crap on this. What does kia ora mean? Kia ora means hello. Hello and thank you. From Apex here, but I never knew what it... Yeah, so Mad Maggie's Maori like myself. That's why she's my favourite Apex character, because super biased. Super biased. I call her Auntie Maggie. Get distracted. Hey, just welcome on in, brother. I am definitely, you know, I haven't had a dog since I lost my first dog too. I do want one though. But hopefully when we're in a better house, better living arrangements. Right. I went to one of my other grandfather's houses yesterday, and gosh, this Saint Bernard is huge, man. Absolutely huge. Beyond faded. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. I forgot how much I love Saint Bernards too. Let me just go and get a sandpaper. Australian Shepherd's the best. Yeah, that's a beautiful dog too. Good family dog, eh? I remember she was like the head honcho of Twitch ANZ. She has a shepherd. Super things. Oh, there's this new thing, Grant, on Twitch called Super Sharing, I think. I'm not sure if it's live for me, but it's live for other people's chats. I believe it might be live for like the bigger streamers first. I would assume so. Saying at the motto was fun. What's your motto again? Aussie Husky and the German Shepherd. True. Aussie Husky. Alright, yeah, so it's going to be a relatively stormy stream today. I do apologise if it's not ideal for most. But, yeah, this is kind of the only facility I have, this is kind of the only place where I can carve. Yeah, most of those huskies do, eh? And shepherds will have different coloured eyes. Sounds really relaxing, yeah. I prefer the stormy weather too. Okay. Alright, so yesterday, what did we do yesterday? Got most of the handle done. And we got the end done as well. I might look over it one more time before we eventually carry on. See, like some of those, there's some marks there. I want to shave some of those off. So like any rust marks that I might see, I want to get rid of those. Oh yeah. Hey, what's up, Breeze? I'm an egg. Oh, you won't last long here then. Can't control nature. Wasn't planning on it. Alright. Just making sure I have all the chisels I need. Gosh, it's always that one chisel I can't find, eh? Always that one. Oh, there it is. It's always that one. Where we live smells like rotten eggs. Very true. Very true. I felt your aura before I opened the Twitch. Really? Okay. City love from Boston. Hey, what's up, brother? Brother Anthony. Ahuriri. How are you, my bro? So this is what we've been doing, chat. Just been trying to clean this bugger up. So there's a few marks in it that I want to get rid of. How did Tom Brady's thing go? He got inducted into a Hall of Fame or something? She's gonna be a bit of a dark one today. Right, this grain is all over the place. Yeah, but I want to get these rows locked in today. Hopefully as well we get a good day so we can stain it. I need a good day to like stain. Brother, that's a big spoon. Never heard of a paddle before. Him and I are most likely cousins, pretty much. We're probably cousins, and we both play Titan, so it's a family thing. Yo, Red Barn, thank you very much for the T1, brother. I'm from England. If you don't mind me asking, what are the pedals used for? So, just these ones in particular are for nothing really, other than the individual celebrating their birthday. This ain't no kink lord pedal. This ain't no pedal used to use in the water. It's more of a decorative piece to celebrate the individual that's celebrating their birthday. Kind of like a 21st key, if you will. Kind of like that. And all I'm doing is getting rid of like little rasp marks that I might see. And then eventually we'll design the end of the handle. So we shaped that out yesterday. Yeah, he's in the Hall of Fame now. We need him back playing though. Isn't he like old as? Isn't he like old as now? Old Tom Brady? So this is my uncle's one. This one here. can see. So he carved this one before he passed away. Hey, Che Ora. Update. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm currently just working on the handle real quick. I could have done a face, but I want to keep this one relatively simple and you know, showcase my uncle's one more. It's pretty much why I kept it relatively simple. So just for a little context, if you are new here, my uncle passed away a couple weeks back, and as one of his students, I'm finishing a commission that he unfortunately didn't get to finish for one of my aunties, and it fell to me to finish it for him. And all the money, like the money from this commission is not something I really cared about. It's all going to my auntie. More so for the fact that, you know, I'm honouring my uncle's legacy by getting his work done for him. Yeah. So this is my one here. So I chose a relatively simple design. So this is called Taratara Akai. Hey girl. Morena mai kanaka. So this is what I've done here. So that's what I've been up to. So this is this design is called Taratara Akai. It talks about an individual that did not have the best looking teeth. Hence the reason why the notches are so separated. And I did them in two different styles. So normally this is how you would carve Taratara Akai. That one there, and on this side. This is in a flow called Rauponga. Rauponga is the fern. How the fern grows, pretty much. As usual. I appreciate that, Jiggy. So yeah, that's what we've been up to. And now, since we're almost at the finish line, all I'm doing really is you're making sure there's no dirty parts really, like rasp marks for example. Getting rid of those, just little things now. And then we'll design the end of the handle. Right, this weather just makes me want to lie on the couch. Straight up. Hey girl, o whaau I hosino. I'm excited to see the finished piece. Do you put any oil? Yeah, normally I coat it with like 2 coats of linseed and then eventually I'll put a stain on it or oil. The night box saw as a piece are always special. This guy. I remember the days when we used to play you know, sensational music while staining. Not at the moment, Anthony. Yeah, to like 4 people have inquired for a pedal. So he used to do it to music. Yeah, yeah. But because I stream on YouTube now, I probably won't do it. I'm just a bachelor looking for a partner, someone who knows how to ride. I'm going money, money for it. I can't Wait up here, I see road going me out. Now I hear. Oi. Hey girl. Oh, come on, you bloody timber. Ah! Wait, you stream on YouTube? Yeah, I was streaming on YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok yesterday. We're allowed to dual stream now. Chat, I won't be able to stream Thursday next week. I've got a Twitch ambassador meeting. Ooh, swelly. Yeah, and also a little bit of a surprise coming with myself as well. I got an email yesterday to see if I'd be willing to be on something, and I said yes. Oh, fuck. Come on, Timber, work with me. I don't know if I can reveal too much, but just for the safety side of things, yeah, I'll say nothing. Sorry. I mean, I haven't signed anything, so I think it'd be alright, eh? Yo, Breezed Ariel, thank you very much for the 6 months in advance as well. Nami nui kia koe. I have made it to YouTube stream. Hey. Sabji. Mysterious fellow. Hello, mysterious fellow. Oh, what's mysterious? Just your average individual that you know loves Balusami. Yeah. How's it finally been? Good, my bro. Girls at school, but you gotta pick them up early today and head to the Maori and see what the goes. Wife's at home today doing their thing. I was so annoyed with my grandfather. I was like, "Babe, I was supposed to go watch Planet of the Apes this weekend, you dick." Then you can't get on us. Sergeant Turd Cutter. Dude, goodness gracious me. Thank you very much for the 3 months, brother. Out of curiosity, how do you manage to read all 3 chats if you stream Twitch, YouTube? It's hard. I'm still trying. That's when the TikTok goes live because their chat goes hardcore, man. Like the other day, there was about 6,000 people chatting in there. I was like, oh, this is stressful. Yo, Zoom Milky, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. You are like a gentle giant of New Zealand. Cheers, my brother. Also, chat, 3 of the new emotes have been done, but another few are getting made, so I'm gonna upload them all at once. They're all for the carving side. Just remember that green bear is the gaming mascot my kids made for me for my other channel. I'll upload them there soon. Just read the chat. Yeah, it's pretty hard though. It's pretty hard. Need to invest in a battle station. I'll be honest, you have seen my outside setup, eh? It's funny when people think, oh, you must have a top of the line setup outside. I like, bruh. It's legit a laptop on a piece of wood and my mic's on a big ass box. There's some people that they start talking computer to me. I was like, brother, you lost me at hello. I don't talk computer, my bro. I missed the car phone case. Yeah, I don't know where that is anymore. Ever since we done a big declutter of everything, yeah, I think a few memorabilia got lost, lost in the cleanup. Okay, I think it's all clean now. So the wires are still up. They're still up, my bro. They'll never come down. Even when I move, the only time I'll cut them is when I'm gonna move. Cause in saying that, they'll probably come with me. I'll want them with me anyway, just to show where I started, pretty much. Tomorrow, man. No, that's the one. That's the one. Focus on school, eh? That's the one, my bro. That's what I want to see. Alright. The rain sounds brutal, is barely spitting on my side. Yeah, no, she's been going hard since last night over here. about that. Whew. I think we got all the little stuff out the way. Oy. Let me just go check my phone real quick. Alright, let's draw this up, eh? Nah, you're all good, Joe. Exam tomorrow with 50%. No. I want you to focus on that, please. That is a big percentage. That's the one, my bro. Yo, thank you very much to JJB21 for the Optimus Prime. Alrighty. Okay. Let's do this. So we're gonna be on this view for a bit because I'm drawing up. Yo, and D-Vic, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime too, my bro. Yeah, so a few of the emotes, like I've got heaps of emotes, let's say, but I'm gonna swap most of them out for Fiku ones, like just carving ones instead. But some of the OG ones will stay. They will stay. Yeah, so now what we're gonna do is draw up the rings for this thing. And I think from there, once the rings are in there, it's just little stuff. It's done after that. I'll just have to carve the eyes out. I probably won't do the eyes till next week, maybe. Depends how the funeral goes this weekend, chat, and I'll get back to you. I just know next week Thursday I can't do a stream because I've got a Twitch ambassador meeting that I have to attend. Right. So we'll draw up these rings, and then we'll go from there. I'm not sure how many we'll do, but there's quite a few. There's quite a few on there. Well, there's a lot of space on it too, so that's something I have to take into consideration as well. All right. We are gonna start drawing these up now. Just trying to judge how many we can do, because we can do quite a few. Are you in NZ? Yes, I am. Morena TikTok, how are you? Opa, Rotorua. Morena guys, how are we doing? Also, I was contacted by TikTok ANZ yesterday. I just have to reply to the email. I think I'll put in a picture of the table with the carving on Discord. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. That's what it's there for, bro. Morning, guys. Love the beanie. Cheers, brother. It is my final Morena guys. So yeah, we're gonna be drawing up the handle rings today. We're gonna be doing that today, and so I've been live for a little bit on Twitch and YouTube, but not too long. Sorry, Chip. But yeah, Morena. Hope everyone's well. I'm just taking off some little rasp marks. Bear with me. Yeah, she's a pretty shiitake day here in Rotorua. Pretty shiitake mushrooms day today. What's the temperature there? I don't know. It's not really something I try and figure out in my day-to-day life. Yeah, it's winter in Aotearoa. Alright, let's do this then. Yeah, so first thing I'm going to do is just draw out a few rings. Now this might take a little bit, but here we are. No, it's just some of the things I have to do. Much love, man. Hey, much love, brother. Yeah, it's winter in Aotearoa. Thank you, Bo, for the heart. I'm just going by the emoji. Where are we? Good evening from Lithuania. Much love. Hope you much love. Hope you love the fact that I keep falling asleep. Hey, if you have a good sleep, then hey, that's a W. As long as you have a good sleep, hey, that's the main thing. How thick is this chisel? Yeah. But how are we all? Morena? Morena? This might take a wee while, but we'll get there. What are you making? I'm just drawing up the end of this handle for this hoi. I think it would have been easier to draw up offline, but where's the fun in that? You can't see the progress. Yeah, just FYI, if I suddenly finish the stream today, all three of them, it's because, you know, I have to go help out my family. One of my grandfathers unfortunately passed away today. Greetings from Los Angeles. Kia ora, bro. Thank you, Snake A Bear. Cheers, bro. Hey, morning, Nimble. Say Lola. Yeah, so I'm currently on standby for now. Just to see what the haps is. And then I will go and do my thing with my whānau. But I hope you guys are all well too. Not trying to bring the mood down at all, just want you to know. I'm someone that, you know, tells you how it is. Thank you, Damien. Kia ora, Terry. Hello, okay, sweet dreams. Jose, ngā mihi nui. Yeah, so we'll get all these rings done. Hopefully I can get all these cut out before I get the ticks. Hey, Jordan. Yeah, you know I appreciate you, Jiggy. Even though I was at PAX in Australia and you didn't even tell me you were living in Australia at the time. Harakai, man. Relax. Looking like a beehive. Hey, what's up from Scotland? Kia ora, bro. Hold on, I need to fuck all else. You commissioned those. Yeah, so these are this is a commission. The only thing with this one, however, it wasn't mine to begin with. It was actually my uncle's commission. And was given to me to finish. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yes, I am left-handed. Proximity, matey. It'll be cool if you could upload emotes on TikTok. Pimpy, thank you very much. And also Henry as well. Animation, mihi nui ki a koe. Are you Samoan? Carl, no. So I'm Maori. He Maori aho. Ake. We are the indigenous people of Aotearoa, New Zealand, my brother. Because you're magic people to me. Magic people to me. Throw your head up high, let your voices fly. I'm proud to be Maori. Do you accept friend requests? Wait, you get friend requests on TikTok? Is that a thing? Oh, shit. Period. Wait, you get friend requests on here? Where you from? Aotearoa. Or is it those private message things? Because I have been getting a lot of private messages that say, do you want more followers? Click this link. It's like, that's not a scam. I was like, yeah, and I found the lost bloody city of Atlantis. Do you want more followers? Click this link now. I'd rather trust that guy in those ads there, and he's got that sellotape and he slaps it on the water tank. That guy. Such a cool guy. How do people do it? How you doing today? Yeah, all good, brother. Like, not gonna lie, I did struggle a little bit to push live today, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm glad I did, because chatting to everyone today is helping me out too. Thank you, Beck and Knight. 2 minutes in the stream whenever I see you live. Glad you're still doing your thing, brother. Had to hop over from TikTok. The character count was too low. The character. Oh, you to send a message. I get you. I appreciate that, my bro. Jumping over from TikTok to Twitch. Hawaii? No, I want to go to Hawaii though. You can make emotes on TikTok for subscribers only. Wait, these subscribers on TikTok? All this new information that I don't know about TikTok, I tell you guys. I'm almost done with the rings. And then we'll cut them out. I'm not really sure how this timber's going to cut. I'm a bit iffy about it. So, who knows what it's going to be like. Told you, Jiggy. Chuck Norris has officially picked his favorite streamer. Hey. Chuck Norris. I remember watching Texas Ranger back in the day with my grandfather. That was the only thing we were allowed to watch. I was like, bruh. Maddie trying to watch Zoids, my bro. Let me watch Zoids, man. Yo, Swayze, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime on Twitch, my bro. Kia ora, S53. Kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, bro, I used to love watching Zoids. Zoids was my jam back in the day. Alright, let's try and finish this up so we can get to carving, okay? Depending on how this timber cuts too, might determine whether I should use linseed on it or not. Hey, Maya! Thank you for the 50 months! Oi! Nami, hope you and the farm doing well. 50 bloody months. Oh wait. That's a long bloody time, man. I tell you that much. Where are we? Arthur, thank you for the roses, my bro. Aroha mai. Where are we? Okay. Bro, I'm good today, my bro. I'm good today. Getting there, you know. It is one of those days, but it won't stop me from, you know, trying to make other people's days good. Kia ora, Sky. How are you? You have a Mickey day too. Yeah, Otter just turned up yesterday. I was on YouTube. I was on YouTube at first yesterday, and then he jumped over. He commented on a video kore, no? Hey, appreciate the Jiggy. Hold on, guys. Just do this. Yeah, man's is finally turned up again. Oh, what's being made? So at the moment I'm just designing the end of the handle, but this is what we've done. Ronaldo or Messi? LeBron James. Yeah. LeBron James. Yeah, I'll be honest, but I didn't even watch that sport. I just say LeBron James for the memes. LeBron James. Favorite NFL team? The Eagles, brother. For Jordan Mailata. Alright, it's done. Kua oti. We can carry on. So what we'll do is we'll cut the first few lines and I'll see how it feels, because I feel like this timber might be a bit going. Alrighty. He's ready? We good? Koreri tātou. Oops, someone got timed out. Ooh, naughty. Let us see. Yep, all you have to do is wait. I remember the TV shows always a long time ago. Yeah, bro. Oh, good old like Zero. And there's many changing armor sets. Kia ora, Charlie. Hey brother, it's my birthday in 17 minutes. Any advice for a 21-year-old? Yeah, just don't drink and drive. Don't be an asshat. Just look after yourself, bro. Life goes on after 21. Alright. You'll be good. And just yeah, keep doing you, eh? Okay, how do I change the camera again? More. Marry me. I'm married, so yeah. Ask someone else. Alright. So we're just gonna be designing that. That's all we're up to right now. I think the TikTok hype is well and truly moved on, which there's nothing wrong with it. Kia ora from Vanuatu. Kia ora. How's it over in Vanuatu? How's this? Oh, ripping. 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 Oh, my heart of mine. Oh, jeez, sorry guys. Whew. Got the sneezels, man. What are you making? We're just designing the end of a handle. How do I... Oh, I'm still trying to learn how to use this bloody thing. No, damn, I can't even lower this thing. That's kind of dumb. Oh well. Carrying on. Looks cool. We are doing a hoi. A pedal. You can see. I'm just gonna keep these all there so we can carry on. Hey brother, I'm Brazilian. I met you a while ago and my father and I became big fans of your work. Because he is a carpenter too. Oh, much love to your father, brother. Jay. What's up, brother Hard Hat? Leno Rocks, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Dear Nakwe, my bro. Okay, one side is ripping. So majority of the ripping is like on the front end. Because we're going across the green. Oh, and on the sides too. Okay. Good things to keep an eye on. Thank you very much for the Aroha on TikTok as well. Love your work, bro. Thank you, Shana. Has the stream been? Yeah, pretty nice and chill. I think everyone's chilling out because it's a rainy day as well. So this is what we're going to be up to today. Just getting these in pretty much. Well, that's kind of what we have to do. But all in all, to those that are tuning in, I hope you are all well and good, looking after yourselves. Much love to everyone that's you know, been tuning in over the last couple of weeks too. Ai reo ki rotoru a tira whakatai tēnei wiki. Oh really? Mo te aha? Ki te marae o mātātua. Oh true! What you up to at the second best mātātua in the country? What are you making the handle into? Just putting rings on the end instead of, you know, leaving it plain Jane. Like this is the one my uncle did. I could have done one like him, but I want him to show me up more, even because this is the last carving he did before he passed away. Wānanga, oh okay. Yeah, so I thought I'd just do a simple one, so uncle's one looks better than mine. Much love, brother. Che, Stunton. Tēnā koe, my bro. Love from Texas. Hey. 'Cause all my exes live in Texas. Oh, that's why I hang my hat in Tennessee. Man, I love country music. I'm lonesome but happy, rich but I'm broke, and the poor Lord knows I'm just a cowpoke. Man, I love Culture Wars. Damn, I wish I knew Maori. Yeah, nothing wrong with starting now, brother Chubby. Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Land of the long white cloud. How did it get that name? So it all goes back to when Kupe One of our most renowned ancestors and navigators found this place, and it was actually his wife that said, Heao te aroa. Look, a long white cloud, and it was actually Kupe's wife that came up with that specific saying. Now, if you don't know who Kupe is, just play Civilization 6. He's one of our ancestors. Love your vibe? Cheers, my brother. Thank you very much, Peanut. I do apologize that I'm missing your guys' gifts as well. Hey, don't mock it till you try it. Hey, what's that? What's that? Are we talking about food? People out the US to like country music. Hey. Bro. My grandfather's nickname was not Cowboy for a reason. And it just so happens his love for country music rubbed off on me too. After 3 years of trying, I just got an apprenticeship as a carpenter. Congratulations, my bro. That's bloody beautiful to see, brother, and it's definitely a good apprenticeship to have in this day and age too, my bro. A very, very good apprenticeship. Congratulations, brother. Mine goes straight to Kai. Yeah. I fast every morning. Of course I'm thinking about food. Not fast food either. Man can't survive on the dew of the universe, juices like Poe. Don't think my body knows it's the Dragon Warrior yet. Gotta take a lot more than dew. My boyfriend's still sleeping and I can't cook. That looks interesting. Yeah, it looks like a beehive, eh? Thank you very much, Don. Namhi Nukiakwe, my bro. Woo, it's getting, the wind's picking up a little bit. Hope you're well. Yeah, all is well, my bro. I'm just glad I ain't getting too Marku. How are you today, yo Batman? Yeah, getting there, brother, getting there. Thank you very much, Don, once again. Hold on, guys. I just gotta come back the other way, so I might miss a few comments here and there. I do apologize. Can y'all hear the rain? If you want, I can just turn the music off and we can be nature lovers. Oh! Just letting y'all know, I wanted to stay inside today, but I decided, nah, I better go out. Everyone's been enjoying the streams lately, so it only makes sense to, you know, see the week through. See the week through, eh, guys? The raindrops falling on my head. What are you making? Just designing the end of a hoy. A hoy is a pedal. But we've been on this for a little bit now, and it's pretty much everything's there. Pretty much, like everything is pretty much there. Could say we're on the end game now. If that makes sense. I just want to check on my cords, so I don't, get electrocuted. It's a bit of a gamble carving in the rain. I'm just a couple. Right. So relaxing. Hey, cheers, brother. Spiraxis. She's ripping a lot. Might have to bust out the linseed. The coolest dude on the internet. I'm alright. Hey, thank you very much for the galaxy, brother. I'm glad I wasn't missing too much. I hope I wasn't missing too much on TikTok. Thank you, bro. Alright. Ooh. Ooh. Damn. A lot of ripping happening, so we're going across the grain there. So what I'll do is get some linseed. Sorry guys, I was mocking my wife because she's tired. That's what you get for watching the bloody all the seasons of Bridgerton. Do 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 do. Surprised she's not having you watch it with it. I won't lie, every time I watch her programs, I think it's shit. Then after a while, man starts getting a bit invested. Like Vampire Diaries. After a while, it's like, ooh, I don't like that guy. Every time I watch one of her programs, man gets invested. It's like, bruh, it's 12, I'm going to bed. Just putting linseed on to loosen up the grain. That's about it. No rocket science behind it. Could use turps, but yeah, I don't like using turps. A bit too much on the nose. Too much on the nose. Something in the way you feel. Whoosh. Yeah, what else other programs have I been invested in there where she watched? I'm trying to think of some others. She's watched quite a few, eh? Load of true crime. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, same. She watches a bit of everything. That lady. I remember when I didn't know what the hell Hunger Games was. I was like, oh, what's this rubbish? Nick Minute throwing up the fingers. Master Chief. Ended up playing a little bit of Destiny last night. Trying to progress through the final shape stuff. What are you making? We're just molding the end of the handle of a hoy, which is a pedal. So that's yeah, what we're currently doing pretty much. So we're gonna be doing this till it's fully done. It's going right around, making sure everything looks all good. It's kind of the main thing where I'm trying to do right now. But also, like, at the same time, you know, going with the grain, making sure it looks clean. Just want to be careful with the very edge of the ridges because it seems like this timber's a bit brittle. Also, thank you very much to Olol for the Optimus Prime and Hardhead for gifting a sub to Chubby Gecko as well. Ngā mihi kōrua. Thank you very much to Papa for the thing. What is that? The TikTok sign? Yeah, so over the last couple days, like, you know, with the amount of people that were showing up to the TikTok streams, obviously, I think that's died out now, which is all good. A lot of people were asking for a hoi. Everyone seems to want a hoi now. So I have to go over those emails in my free time this weekend. So I'm hoping Mother Dearest will look after the kids this weekend. Hopefully, she's not too busy. So I can get through all these carving inquiries. I just gotta keep reminding people that you know, I don't do anything outside of Whakairo. Sorry I'm missing everything, guys. I'll try and get this done soon so I don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. Kia ora everyone on TikTok. Sorry once again. Sure, brother, how's mahi going? Hope the rain's not too bad where you are. Yeah, not too bad, my bro. There was a Maori in a video. Yeah. I have to show you and him. I was just gonna show him, but then he would have got in the dog box, he was saying. But yes, I'll I'll hit you up in the Discord and I'll put it on the computer so I can show you. So you know the Samoan girl who sung at the wedding, she made it. That was her like her wedding gift to us, and I was like, oh, I was buzzing out, not gonna lie. I'll probably have to show Jiggy too. What's the Discord? Oh, I don't have the link. I don't have the link. Can I comment? Wait, I haven't even tried. Wait, I can't comment on my own lives on TikTok? True. Money from Wales, kia ora. What's up, Auntie Gab? I thought you could. Because I was just going to comment the Discord in there. When we're doing a watch party. Yeah, it'll probably be a closed one, just, you know, close people. Thank you, Jim. Just so, yeah. I would love to show everyone, but, puts this in my feed every day. Oh, kia ora, astronomology. Kia ora. Ooh, that took me a bit of a pause to get that one. Have you watched the big... No, I have never watched that show before. Mind you, I don't even watch TV that much, so... Nah, I haven't, brother. I legit watch more streams than TV these days. The only time I watch TV if there's like something I want to watch, like Fallout, when that came out, bro, that's all I wanted to watch. Turning once again. Yeah, I'll hit you up though. I'll probably invite you, Thunder, and maybe Jiggy to the call to watch the video. But yeah, I want to show everyone, but you know how I am. I don't really want to show my wife and the kids' faces and my mum's. Yeah, I don't really want to show any of them, really. Sup, James Lopez? Didn't blow me, to be honest. All the weirdos online? Yeah. Yeah. I respect privacy. Hey, in my opinion, man, you know, privacy is power, eh? Not really out here. I mean, we're pretty average, your average family. There's nothing, you know, groundbreaking about us, other than the fact that me and my wife argue about what we should have for dinner every day. But I think that's a lot of couples. There's me on one side, the individual that's not fussy will eat anything, and there's the other individual on the other side that says something nice. So you can kind of see, you know, sorry about that. where the two bulls meet in the China shop, eh? And what makes it even worse, we're both stubborn. And then sometimes my kids will join in from the sideline and say, McDonald's! And we're like, no! We're trying to have something healthy! Every time. Greetings from Italy, kia ora. Yo, what's up, James? Yo, thank you very much. How do I say that? Richie sent 4K. I'll be honest, bro, I am not good with words at all. Thank you very much for the galaxy, brother. I will show you what we're carving, like what we've carved so far soon, TikTok. I just really want to get this out of the way today. And we should be good. Did you guys see the Metallica update for Fortnite? I haven't really been playing it, but when I saw Metallica, I was like, wow, that's pretty mean. The guitar weapon looks so broken, though. That's way too much mobility. Do you drop... What? Barbecue sauce? What the hell? Is that a dick joke or something coming? Get in there. Enjoy the rest of the stream. Catch you again soon. Cheerio, Otto. Have a good sleep, eh? Good to see you again, my bro. Nā mihi nui kia koe, my bro. Yeah, I'd say Fortnite definitely is you know, the king of cameos, that game. The amount of collaborations that game has had is, in my opinion, you gotta give them their flowers, eh? Whether you like the game or you don't. Wait. Almost there, guys. Hey. What are you making? Just a hoy, brother. A pedal. Sorry, it's taking a bit longer than usual. Woo. Thank you for the roses, man. Sorry, I'm so like honed in on this. Is just because it's almost done, I think. But I hope, you know, TikTok, YouTube, and Twitch are enjoying the progress so far. As we move into the final stages of this piece. I need to get my A into G and go mill the next piece of timber. Because I think we are starting the next piece next week. Yep, we on to the next one next week, guys. On to the next one. On to the next one. Thank you very much for the aroha on TikTok, guys. Are you making an all? Yeah, so I'm just doing the end of it. And I'll show you the rest of it as well. One of the mods is trying to make me play Valorant again, but I don't know if I want to be, you know, I don't know if I want to let Moaning Myrtles back into my life in that game. Oh my god, you should have went B long. Like, bruh, you died on the rip. Do you have an idea on the next piece? So what I got told is they just want a big manaya. Doesn't really give me much to work on. But yeah, they just said a big manaya, so I'm like, oh jeez. Let me just sit on a damn rock and think about it for a couple days. But the piece we got is a bit of a big one. So I have to figure out what kind of big manaya we're gonna do. But I think what I'm leaning towards is most likely gonna be a popo. Considering how big the timber we're using is. Yeah, it's those kind of jobs are a bit of how's it going when they don't really give you specifically what they want, just like this. Box, do you carve figures? Like, no, I don't carve characters. Sorry, brother. Yeah, I'm not really that kind of person, my bro, or that kind of carver. Normally I just carve stuff from my culture, my bro. Like, we do these things called tiko tiko, which are 3-dimensional carvings, but yeah. I'm guessing it's like game characters or anime characters. I apologize, brother. So I've always mentioned that one individual who emailed me asking me to carve Android 18 with no clothes on. Spat my damn drink, I did. It was a bit of a You all good, bro? It's a bit of a how's it going request. I ain't gonna lie. How you doing? Hey, what's up, King? We are good, my brother. It's kind of getting dark now. Not gonna lie. But we out here, my bro. Rain, hail, snow. I'll make sure to stream as much as I can when everyone's enjoying it. Because I, for one, definitely enjoy your guys' company. Yeah, TikTok. I also got hit up by a TikTok representative from Twitch ANZ, and there might be opportunities there. And all I really have to do is stream a certain amount of hours, pretty much. Thank you, K and Scoople. Did I say that right? A honey dipper? No, I'm just putting linseed oil on because the grain's quite the grain's quite dry, or the timber. So I'm just adding it on so we can cut better. Thank you, Kay. Carter from the UK. Yeah, you've been pretty late over there. Go to bed. Go to bed, you degenerate. Sleep is good for the mind, body, and soul. Trust me, I love sleep. Every time I have a good sleep, I feel good. Yeah, so putting linseed on just to minimize the grain ripping all the time. That's all. Most intricate piece you ever carved. Oh. It'll be on my Instagram, brother. It's this square treasure box I did as a student. It's called a kumete, but yeah, that's probably the one piece I went all out on. Probably that one there. What an interesting stream. Thank you, brother. This might take me a while. Chat is getting a bit dark. So to those that are new from all the 3 platforms I'm streaming on, hello. Hello, first of all, kia ora. My name is Brooks. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. I have been doing this art form since the age of 12. And this is what I love to do in life, and I have been streaming Whakairo full time for 4 years. Four years pretty much. And first question before it's asked, no, I don't get bored of it. It's not a hobby, it's a passion. It's something I have a lot of love for, because it's been a part of my culture for a long time. Jeez, it's getting dark. Better be careful so I can still see my lines. Bro, you turned the lights off. So what I'm currently doing right now is we are just designing the end of the handle pretty much. Nothing too crazy. I'm just doing something relatively simple. Nothing like overboard. I could have done the same as my uncle's piece, but I kind of wanted to, you know, highlight his work more than my own. Just out of, you know, just out of aroha, just out of love for him. And yeah, this one's almost done, and then we start the third commission of the one. And then this whole commission, this whole journey that we've been on with these pieces is donezo. And then we start the next one, pretty much. So that's what we've been up to here, pretty much. Thank you very much to Finger Blaster for the 60 plus roses. Sub Silas and Brian. Can never really enjoy really good sleep because I know after I have to wake up. Well, it's the beauty of the next day, my bro. Sorry, I have to put the new Discord link in. I just keep forgetting. Really bad goldfish brain lately. I've been goldfishing pretty hard lately. Almost there, guys. Oh, thanks for sticking around. I know we're just carving in the line, but yeah, thank you. Don't think he sells. Oh, I do. At the moment, like, these are not for sale because these are already going to people that are paying for it. So just a little context on this piece, or the pieces that I've been doing. So before me, this commission belonged to my uncle. This was my uncle's commission, and then was given to me to finish. Why was it given to me to finish? Because unfortunately, my uncle suffered a heart attack like a couple weeks ago, and unfortunately he lost his life. So then it was given to me to finish, being one of his students, and obviously, you know, just being my uncle, it was yeah, now I have to finish these for him. So my auntie approached my mum asking if I could finish them for him in his name, and I just said yeah, no hesitation, just said yep, I'll start them now. And yeah, here we are. And all the funds from this commission, I just said, give it to Auntie, my uncle's widow. Yeah, so here we are, almost finishing it. Appreciate it, Jiggy. Almost finishing this up, and what's that tool called? A chisel? You know what you're asking about? So did your uncle pass? Yep, he did. 413. It's 1140. What do you mean? 413? You got the wrong time, brother. Oh, mind you, I'm in New Zealand, so yeah, my bad. My bad, brother. Live restricted for some audience. Your live contains themes that some may find uncomfortable. Huh? Did I just get reported? I think I just got reported. Is that what that means? Thank you, Red and Austin. What, me wood carving? Yo, Finger, thank you very much for the people. See that name there. Wait, that, yeah, see, maybe uncomfortable? I don't know what's uncomfortable other than my back, but okay, TikTok. Anyone with discomfort here right now is the one carving this with a sore back. Next minute ends live. Wouldn't be surprised. They use AI, you talked about. Oh, really? Oh, that's a bit weird. So what if I said Skynet's not real? Will they end my life? Man, if that happened, all the theory crafters will be going to town. What makes you think I'd carve an adult toy live on YouTube there, bro? Weird chap. Oh, really, Oliver? Yeah, platforms are funny. Wow, I did not know that. Far out, so I can't even be genuine that I lost my uncle. Okay, interesting. Noted. I never knew that. Because you know me, I'm honest, I don't sugarcoat it. Interesting. Yeah, I'm making a Hoya pedal. So very nice to see you again, man. Can't wait to see what you create. Yo, Cooper, I'm almost done, bro, with this section. It's taking a wee bit, but we good, we good. Morena, brother, I hope you're well. Tēnā koe, Patrick. Kia ora Pātariki. Pai ana my bro, pai ana. You're the kind of bun... Oh yeah. What if I said I'm gonna join Chen Gang? Then TikTok goes cap. Yo, Zumi, thank you very much for the 9 months, my bro. Not sure if I can say it, but congratulations on the sub, baby, my brother. Leave me alone, TikTok, please. It's a term I've been using for 4 years. Thank you very much for the 9 months, Izumi. I hope you're well. Hope you're looking after yourself too. I've been carving these the whole time. But I hope you're doing good. Much love there, Joseph. Kia ora, Damien. Thank you, brother. Is this who I think it is? Yes. This is Ryan Gosling. Nah. Alright, I'll do it for you guys. Hi, my name's Korg. I'm kind of like the leader around here. Don't be afraid unless you're made of scissors. Man, I thought I was beyond the Korg stuff, man. Alrighty. Almost there, Cherry Lala. You drive us wild, we drive you crazy. You keep on shining, you keep on shining. Dook, dook, dook. I wanna rock and roll all night. Your body every day. Oh my gosh, this weather, man. Yo, Skinny Dipping for days. Thank you very much for the 2 months, my bro. That name. That's actually a goated name. Yo, thank you very much for the 2 months once again, brother. Let's jump over to YouTube real quick. A lot of patience there. Yeah, getting there, my bro. Getting there. Know if you remember me from yesterday, but racing helmet I got off, and it's... Oh yeah, no, I remember, Ray. Future F1 driver. I remember you, my brother. Looking forward to seeing you, you know, achieve your goals in life, brother. Yo, thank you, Reed. Nah, me, my bro. What are you making, brother? So we're just designing the end of a handle for a hoy or a pedal. Not a kink lord pedal, by the way. Just a It's like a fully designed one. It's for a birthday. So there's an individual's birthday coming up. And that's what this and another one is for. I'll show you both of them side by side again soon. I'm just making sure that this is clean before we move on. Just want to keep an eye on all my cords too, chat. I've covered them up, but you know, water can get through anything. Right. So adds to the relaxing stream, yeah. Man, I might just upload this as a VOD format so people can just ASMR their ears out. Sounds like a plan. I vibe with the rainy day streams though. Like, I don't mind them. Yeah, it's raining, buddy. The raindrops keep falling on my head. I feel like you would get on with Scottish people. Oh, really? You like rain too? I need caffeine, thank you very much. Yo, TB1, thank you for gifting someone a sub, brother. Or varnish to use. Just linseed, my bro. I'm not really using it to stain. More so just to loosen up the grain, brother. That's all I'm using it for. And then when it's, you know, said and done, then I'll put 2 coats of this on through the whole entire thing. Go. Thank you, Miss Spy. Did I say that right? Yeah, making a Ahoy a pedal. I appreciate that, Ziggy. Just, oh, my Spy, okay. Walking stick, just a Hoya pedal. You look like the streamer that went viral for being a kind human. Hello. Oh, this is the best ASMR. Yeah, you will not find me licking any ear microphones, farting in no microphone, eating pickles with the microphone humping the neck. That's not the kind of ASMR I do. It's just tapping sounds and nature. Yeah, I know farting in the mic became a trend on Twitch for a moment there. I was like, geez, poor microphone. And you know, eating with the mic close to your throat or your mouth I'll be honest, I eat with my mouth closed. Yeah. There's rain and tapping sounds. That's all. This is close to ASMR as you'll get here. Anything else? It's probably not me. Although people have asked me to read Harry McCleary from Donaldson's Dairy. I love the way they're gonna lie, especially on a tin roof, eh? Boy, oh boy. Yeah, or 0491826333. Thank you very much for coming over from YouTube, my brother. Had to turn off the P money for the rain. Sure, brother Zach. Thank you, James. Hey, thanks, Jiggy. You can chill out too. It's all good. I appreciate it, bro. Almost there. Ui. Goodness gracious me, this rain. I'm singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. It is quite a crap day today, guys, I'll tell you that much. Must be a bit of a workout carving. Oh, yes and no, depends what you're doing. I wouldn't say for little stuff like this. Like, this is pretty cruisy, I ain't gonna lie. But when it comes to, like, doing big pieces, bro, and the crunch time as well. So, yeah. Get a bit of a workout in. I was dancing all alone, watching people get it on with each other. No more lonely nights for me. I looked out, what did I see? Sexy eyes, you know you got those sexy eyes. What's another cool song? That John Legend song? Let's go to the park. I wanna kiss you underneath the stars. Hey, go too far. We just don't care. We just don't care. We just don't care. One of his, I think that's one of his more older songs, eh? I think. think that's one of his more older songs, if I remember correctly. Say, isn't that guy with the munted golden teeth? Ah, that didn't look too good, eh? Yeah, I seen the videos of that guy. I was like, whew, at a grill or what? How's it going? Yeah, but his dentist did him dirty. Because I thought gold teeth were supposed to look good. Say, fans, how about you give me 200 acres? No. You said you want to hear it more than I do. PDA, it's a great song, brother. Oh, yeah, that's it. Hi from South Africa. Tēnā koe. I piss rocks. Ouch. Thank you for the roses, bro. Ouch. Carry Wayward Son is a good song. Who sings that one? Is that a John Legend one too? Actually, decent at singing. Cheers, bro. Fun fact. I used to do opera back in the day. Used to. Why did you stop? I didn't even know why I stopped, to be honest. I used to love that song. Baritone. Oh, I can feel the rain. Hey, what's up, Benny? I'm watching on TikTok and Twitch now. Hey, what's up, my brother? Hope you're well, brother. Singing that song. Stein from your door. Stein from your door. When life was so easy. Keep your eyes open, my heart was better, my soul surrender. I'm waiting my time, waiting for that right time. Now that you're here, the time you love. was another song we sang at a wedding too? We sang, what is it? Notte di Luce. Nights in White Satin. I remember singing that at a wedding. I was nervous as because there were heaps of people there. Cheers to yourself. Now that you're here, the time is near. Oh yeah. Hold on, guys. How many pieces have you done in your career? I lost count at like 16. Yeah, I'll be honest, I lost count at 16 years old. How's it going, brother? Good, brother Jays. Yeah, it's raining here, my brain. He's replying to Twitch. I'm trying to reply to everyone, but I don't have chameleon eyes, that's all. What's up, sucker? Thank you very much, cross sign for the heart, and Rohan. Thank you very much. Hey, I gotta hydrate. Okay, let me get some water after these ridges right here. The closer I get to you, the more you make me feel. By giving me all you got. What? Did you learn wood carving on your own? No, my uncle taught me. Back in primary. Back in primary school, my brother. So I've been at it for about a couple years now. For a few years. Started when I was 12. And now I am 32 years old. Yeah, bit of a bit of an old boy. I might do a little something up here. Oh man, this rain though. This is movie weather. Alright. There it is. Thank you, brother Zach, for the brand new tier 1, my bro. Coming over from YouTube. Nami, my bro. Alright. Let me just rest my back real quick. And let me show you this. What's up, guys? Hello. How you doing? How are we? Oh, wait. Pop you out of the tripod there, because that is loosey-goosey. How we doing? How we doing? Go. All done. He's got a bit of a nose cam right now. Kia ora, hello? Hello, hello. Where's my snare? Check, check. Alright. There we go. It is there. All I have to do now is the eyes. Cut the eyes out. Cut the eyes out and we're sweet. Yeah, that's all we've done so far. Please ignore that that charity thing that ended last month and I've forgotten to take the notification off, but aroha nui whānau. Alright. Something in the world. Let's keep it off the ground real quick. How we do? What a babe for real? No. I don't accept that. I'm a married man. And I want to stay a married man. Hey man, what's your favorite thing to carve? Within Whakairo? I don't know. I've actually never thought about that. That's a good question. An actual good question. I guess anything and everything, to be honest. Like, I don't think, like, within my culture there's something that I don't enjoy carving. To be honest. That's just like me personally. Alright. Whew. Hello, guys. What's the hardest thing you've carved? Hardest thing I've carved is yeah, this thing called a kumete, because I was a student when I started it, and my tutor at the time, he kind of didn't want to teach us anymore, so I was doing the majority of it on my own. But for me, I didn't mind because, you know, they're stubborn, eh? Don't like giving up. Yo, wagwan, Darren. What's the longest you spent carving a piece? 4 months, yeah, the piece that I'm talking about. Yeah, like I tried to do as much of it as I could, like, before asking for help. That's just how I am. I hate giving up, eh? I hate giving up. Yo, what's up, Eagle? Chama, bro. Thank you for the 35 months. How you been, brother, Eagle? Good to see you again, my bro. Cheer. Where are we? Yo, what's up, Weezoid? Yeah, I think, yeah, 4 months as a student. Oh, that was pretty much my hardest. Do you carve trophies? I have before. We're looking fine like always. I don't know how to take those comments as a married man, eh? Hanging in there, living life, you know. Hey, as long as you're a good brother, feel free to talk about it too if you want to, my bro. Can you carve a waka? I can be a part of a team that's carving a waka. I probably can't do one on my own. There's a lot of time and effort goes into carving a waka, eh? Thank you very much, hey look, and crown sign, crown emoji, and head blown up emoji, and Tina. Thank you for the firecrackers, Jarvison. Where are we? Just want to make sure I'm keeping up. You should do a carving giveaway. Yeah, it's in my chat. So save up 1,000,000 channel points on Twitch and you can get yourself a carving. It's only been redeemed once. Yeah. All good over here, loving life. All good, my bro. Just wanted to check. You know how I am, my bro. Gotta check on everybody. Gotta check on everybody all the time. So that's done. I'm glad that's done. I think the only thing to do left on this pedal is the eyes. I'm saving, trust me. I need to start, what is it called? What's those things that can do hard hit? Predictions? I need to start those so people can like invest all their points. Never wanted success more for a stranger. I just hope that everyone that tunes in finds success in no matter what they do within their lives, to be honest. Yeah. Be easy, I'ma save them points, Andy. Yo. How long does it take to carve one piece? It depends. Like, each piece, you know, doesn't have a specific timeline. It's like how much you put into it, really. I like doing a lot of this on Twitch, so yeah, they do take a little bit longer to carve while live, but I'll be honest, I don't mind the one, but offline, you know, it takes hours, sometimes days. Where are we? You're on 40k right now? Bro, I got like infinite channel points. Oh, Eagle! Thank you very much for the 10 bob on Twitch, my bro. Bro, you just got back here. Thank you very much. If you did get a gifted sub today on Twitch, please make sure you give a thank you to the gifters as well. Please, that's all I ask. And thank you to Rohan and Jake. Jakey boy. Where are we? Can I one day ask you to join me in a carving Whakairo in the distant future? It all depends because I have a schedule too. What are you making? I'm new. I'll be honest, I'm chatting so I can rest my back. Got a carver's back, my braves. Yeah, so this is all we've done. So we were focusing on the top today. So that's all we're up to. All of that. I can see one bit that I missed, but I'll fix that up. Easy. All of that. And then, yeah, this is what we've done. So all we need to do on this piece is carve out the eyes, where the abalone goes, and I'll look around the sides, make sure there's no machine marks anywhere. Take all of those out. I'll have to clean the back too along here, this border. Clean that out. But all in all, this is done. It's pretty much there. And all we need to do is hopefully have a nice day so we can stain in the membrane. What would you do for doing wood carving? Thank you very much, Gene. I just saw that. And Shane and Chuko. I'll be honest, before I came across Whakairo, Maori wood carving, I wanted to be a zookeeper. I wanted to look after, some animals in zoos. Red pandas were one of them. Lions and gorillas, pretty much. Those were the animals I wanted to look after. That was my dream, to be a zookeeper. Before eventually, my life changed in terms of finding Whakairo. And yeah, that was like my dream job, to be a zookeeper. And then eventually, that's when I found Whakairo, and I was like, nope. I don't want to be a zookeeper anymore. Steve Irwin, shut up, hardhead. Trying to do that. Yeah, so that's all we've done here. Oh man, trying to be smart. Yeah, we just done all of that. I'll probably put a little design up the top, I think. There's enough space too. But yeah, all in all, this is pretty much done. Do you still do gaming streams? Not so much on my main channel. I made the decision to stop doing gaming streams on my main channel because it was kind of killing it off too, and it kind of made sense that, when people turn up to the channel, they want to see the woodcarver instead of the gamer. And I ain't gonna lie, I've been much happier since putting games out on my main channel. I have another channel too, just for games and just jamming games inside. It's not Brock's. it's pretty hard to not to find. Yo, Chuko and M Campbell, Nabihi Nui Kia Korua. And also a thank you to Shino Kage Akuma for the brand new T1 and Code Lima for the Optimus Prime as well. Thank you very, very much for the Aroha today. Indigenous from Canada, lovely to see your work on Makawa too. Hey, what's up, brother Liam? Love to see you, my bro. My fellow tangata whenua. But yeah, someone from TikTok contacted me and asked if I wanted to join the TikTok live program. The only thing is I have to stream 2 hours a week. Yeah. Are you Muslim? No, I'm not. Yeah, I don't you get invited to TikTok events. And I was like, ooh, are they loud? Because I don't like going to loud events. Where are we here? Do you keep your carvings? No, most of them are all commissions. Yo, hardhead, thank you very much for that too, bomb, brother. Getting us the 30 out of 30 on the daily sub goal today. Thank you very much, my bro. And he initiated a hype train. Where are we? Are you Australian? Oh, don't swear at me. Nah, I live next door, Aotearoa, New Zealand. Ever since I started watching these live streams, I've been more relaxed and happy. That's the one, Chubby Gecko. That's the one, my bro. And start getting into doing something you enjoy as well. I definitely recommend that, brother. 100%. But good to see you good. You're doing good too. Or see or hear. Is that what I would say? So you're like, Taskmaster, what's that? I don't watch TV much. Aussies are better. Yeah, but you fellas don't have good pies. Mediocre rugby team. You know? Nah. Tomato to me, my bro. Rockshire the king. We all the kings and queens here, my bro. Better cricket team. Who watches cricket anyway? Only thing I know about cricket is this. I probably offended the cricket community, not gonna lie. Best fast food restaurant? I don't know, I don't really go out much. Where's your accent? Aotearoa, New Zealand. What do we get here then? Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. What do we got here then? Huh? I used to play cricket. Now that I think about it, I never really actually played cricket at school. Yeah, now that I think of it, I never did. But that's all I remember seeing in cricket is when they do that and they start fuming. I need you to oil this man right now. Yo, Eagle, thank you for the 10 bomb as well. What the hell? Brother, you just got back too. Thank you very much to Eagle 2 Frosty for the 10 bomb as well. Ngā mihi nui ki a koe, my brother. Brother man just got back and started gifting. Oh, where, my bro? Oh, where? We used to have the best rugby team, but we fell off. I think just get rid of that coach, eh? Who coached the Wallabies? That bloody eyebrows, hey Hutchie looking guy. What's his name? He coached the Wallabies. I can't remember his name. Bro's eyebrows were up by his hairline. But he was a boaster. I can't remember his name. Does anyone know his name? Thank you very much, Jack, Nami, and Ahmad. Eddie Jones, yeah, that's him, bro. He did not do well, eh? He did not do well. How cold is it there? I just need a jacket. I got shorts on. I can't watch again soon. All good jokes. I'm not sure if I'll be live, my bro, because any advice for a dad struggling? It's just fatherhood, brother. You know, being a parent is not the easiest thing in the world. Even I'm still learning. You know, even being a father for almost 6 years now, it is definitely I would say one of the hardest experiences in my life, being a dad, caring for, another life. But in the end, there are reasons why we keep trying to, keep moving forward and striving for better tomorrows for them. Trust me, bro, I never had bad anxiety till I became a father. And you are definitely not alone. I definitely know how it feels to feel, when you feel like you're not doing enough. Am I even worthy to be this kid's dad? Those are thoughts I had once upon a time too. How old are your kids? 5 and 3. Is it really you, your actual me? But I'm not AI, iRobot, iPhone 12. I'm pretty real. I've got thunder thighs. I love food. And yeah, I don't like wet socks. Yeah, it's me, bro. Hello. If you like wet socks, oh, you alright? Yeah, Elkwood, yeah, brother. Just take it each day as you can, bro, because I definitely understand like where you're coming from. One of those, you know, looking in the mirror days. Terrible weather, am I right? Oh, I love this type of weather. But I'd rather be cold in a cold place than a hot place. What's your Cash App? I don't have Cash App. Yeah. From Brunei. Hey, one of my boys is from Brunei. Dope hat. Yeah, it's a Kabaka team. Do you like, bro? I used to listen to Wu-Tang Clan when I was young. Have you ever met someone making Whakairo that wasn't Maori themselves? No, I haven't actually. Now that you make me think about it, yeah, no, I haven't. Wow. Not everyone I've met is a Maori woodcarver. What kind of music do you listen to? At the moment, I've been spamming a lot of Josh Tautofi. Tautofi, sorry. What else? I normally listen, I mean, I don't know anyone from my generation that doesn't listen to Bob Marley. Hold on, my cousin, she's an emo. No, she don't listen to Bob Marley. She listens to like Blink 182 and all of them. And Paramore. But I do like Paramore's music too. Who else? Coterie. More of the early stuff I've only ever listened to. Hey, from Jamaica. What's up? Is it Debbie? Kia ora. 110% would rather be cold than hot, bro. I hate hot weather, bro. Especially when it's nutsack stuck to leg hot. Sorry, ladies. Thank you, Hardhead, for gifting us up to Raymond. Kia ora, my bro. You giving up on Twitch? I am live on Twitch right now and YouTube. Sorry, ladies. Yeah, I didn't think about that. No, you're all good, Blue. I really just adore your energy so much, and I hope you can, you know, have a good day. That's the main thing, eh? Like, anyone that's watching, I don't even care if you're a hater. I just hope you have a good day. It's better than, you know. I just hope people leave the stream one day in a better mood than they were. Or than yesterday, I guess. Shredded, thank you for the T1, brother. It's the legend himself, Kia ora. But I'm just me. No, I'm not a legend. Brother, I need some support. Yeah, because I don't really, you know, get into the Origin banter that much. I just say it just to be a smart ass. The only one I ever do it to is my grandfather because he hates me on Origin Day. That's why I use this truck on Origin Day till there's only a little bit of gas left in it. Oh, here's your truck. Yo, Trip, bro, thank you for the galaxy, my bro. Nah, he hates me during Origin Day. Cause I remember the first Origin game I watched with him. He goes, "Who are you gonna go for, my boys?" Oh, I like Jonathan Thurston. He goes, get out of my house." Yo, Jiggy, thank you very much, and Eagle as well. Nā mihi nui kia korua. I was like, bro, I like Jonathan Thurston. He's cool. Do you play any video games? Yeah, I've been playing games since Sonic 1, brother. I appreciate you, Jiggy. What is a Twitch ambassador? It's basically a Twitch partner, but with more power. Nah, so all we do is, so Twitch ambassadors are a representation of the good side of Twitch, eh? Like, not some, you know, not your average papagas like that normally go viral these days for doing silly stuff. But other things we do too, like we look at some of the new features that might be coming out to Twitch, and we kind of have an open discussion about it too. Like, is it going to be beneficial? Is it going to be good for every streamer? Like there was this one thing. What was it called? Super chat. When you could like, it wasn't gifting bits in the chat. It was like a donation, but they take their percentage anyway. My first day as a Twitch ambassador, I was in their meeting and I went, "Is Kaisen a Twitch streamer, bro? If you don't know him, he is the streamer, my bro. Ko ia te tangata. He is him." I don't think Kaisenat's a Twitch ambassador. I mean, he does a lot on the platform, but yeah, I don't think so. I mean, I don't think he needs to be. Kick is better, or what do you think? What do you think? Personally, for me, Twitch is home. Like, that's where, you know, people welcome me with open arms. Like, I got a lot of love for my boy Trainwreck, because believe it or not, he was the first big streamer to support me on day one. The old Trainwreck, and he started the meme bro XH. I was like, bro. Yo, sure bro, not me, he knew more theatre. But yeah, Kai Sonata is definitely in a league of his own, I would say. I think one of the annoying things from all his achievements is Ninja, you know, being quite petty about it. I didn't like that. I mean, he's achieved quite a lot too. But then he brought up, like, is the streaming viewer record really broken? I was like, oh bro, can we just not celebrate an individual's success? Yo, Namihi chair, bro. Okay, I think my back is good now. Whee! I mean, you gotta give it to Ninja too. He's a top tier streamer as well. He cracked it as well. Brox, I'm pretty depressed tonight, but seeing you know you so. Hey, Davey. We all have these rough patches in our lives, eh? But in a sense, think of it this way. Sometimes when life sees us, you know, going good, and then it may see that we need to become stronger, we are given these trials within our lives that we have to overcome. Be the rock in the river, my bro. Be the rough rock in the river. As you progress through, you get smoother and more refined and become better. You'll be all good, brother. I just got here. May I ask what's going into being an egg? What goes into being an egg? So it's just a term we use here in Aotearoa, like don't be an egg. Basically, it just means don't be a prick. Or a dickhead in the chat, yeah, in a sense. But I don't want to put that in my chat rules. Don't be that guy, yeah. That's all it is. Yeah. Much love from London. Isn't it like late in London? What's have my first kid? Any tips? You know, be patient. Be there for your partner, your wife, because they're the ones that are going to be doing those late nights, say when the baby wakes up hungry. It's definitely those nights that you need to come and clutch for your significant other. You know, wife, girlfriend feeds baby. You take you take baby, birth baby, change the nappy. Those are the moments that make it a lot easier for your significant other when it comes down to being a parent, I would say. Some of the greatest things about being a parent is watching your child grow. Some of the hardest things about being a parent is watching your child grow. But all in all, yeah, just enjoy the moments. You know, be patient. It's not the easiest thing in the world, so you'll come to find that you discover a new side of yourself as a parent too. Like I would say, our first children see the best and the worst in us as a parent, and then the second child sees the best in you. So it's kind of how you take it, pretty much. But yeah, just make sure you're there for your significant other, my bro, because those are the nights where it counts, you know. It definitely counts. There were, I think, the first week of my first child when we got home, I didn't sleep much. I was the one that, you know, kind of had little naps during the day but stayed up through the night just to make sure my wife had a good rest day. That's the main thing, I would say. Yeah, or to me anyway, you know. Thank you, cross emoji, for the galaxy. Yeah, that's my number one thing, man, is be the presence in those long nights, because those definitely come in clutch for your partner. Thank you, Jax. I'm carving a log into a whale. Nice, Aussie. Nice, my bro. He has put in the work, implements a strong content strat, been studying him for a hot minute. Oh, nice one, bro. Yeah. So, appreciate you, Jiggy. You deserve the world. Ooh, no. The world's a bit much, eh? I would say, but I appreciate the thought. I don't have a cash app. It's all good. Don't get you a lunch. Bro, it makes me happy for no reason. Oh, that's a W in my eyes, my bro. I agree. I've learned to grow so much as a man since becoming a parent. It's challenged me like nothing ever before in my life. And the values that I inherited from my father. And I still struggle with so many lessons. Yeah, me too, Aaron. Like, no TikTok that I'm very open. I've been a father for 6 years and I still struggle. One of the main things that I didn't want to be was just like my dad. Yeah, like I didn't have much of a father figure in my life, so I definitely wanted to be, you know, better than that, than the example I got. You need to be a voice actor, to be honest. I'd love to do a voice acting job. That'll be fun, just for the fun of it, not so much for the pay. Sorry, I'm scrolling back because someone gave a galaxy. Sorry for missing that. Shit, sorry, brother. Hey, bro, can you see my comments? Yeah, I can see it. Ooh, what'd you get banned for, though, eh? Hey, what'd you do? What'd you get banned for? Yo, Raw Egg, thank you very much for the galaxy. Raw Egg, what a name. What'd you do, eh? Hey? Whose TikToks are you watching, Brady? Need a Moana 2 character. Well, Moana 2's finished, eh? And it just so happens that a girl, I think she's in Australia, she got cast to be Moana in the IRL version. Raw Egg, thank you once again, brother. I don't know what it's called. What's it called? I just call it the IRL version. Which I thought was pretty cool. And I'll wait for the girl that got it. Definitely. I'm from the UK and Cho Spectra. Live action, that's the word. How's weather holding up? Ah, shit weather, still smells. So it's good. Good day. But the area I'm in, I won't lie, it's gotten really bad and a real concern for my kids, pretty much. I don't let them walk around this area when we have to go for like afternoon walks. Are you guys just coming into winter? Yeah, pretty much, my bro. Love from Denmark. Che Mario. NYC loves you, bro. Shout out to New York. I'd love to go to New York one day to stand in Times Square. That'll be pretty cool. Do the locals recognize you? Nah. Too many hood rats around here. What's up, Deco? I'm from Tuhoe and Te Have you had a chance to travel much? I only just started traveling. Need private security. I got you. Oh, bro, I got like Maori weapons galore in my house, so I'm good. You should have seen one guy ages ago was breaking into a neighbor's car, and just so happens I went out with my hair out, and I had a taiaha, which is one of the most renowned weapons my people have, and just picture Hagrid with a big ass Maori weapon and a bathrobe and jockeys. Yeah, that was me. Yeah. Buck big. I only realised how comfortable bathrobes are. Really warm. Holy, that's a big low on the chat. Jeez. Did you stop him? No, he ran away. I think he ran away at the pure sight of a, thick man. Burly man. Nah. I just walked out, he ran away, and I just laughed and went back inside. Yeah. Ah, it's funny. It's funny. And then even some of the little kids in the town, how everyone's doing the balaclava stuff, and they go, "Hey, yo, Roxy, what's up, my man?" Try and act all gas. I'm like, talk properly. What you wearing that in town for? You look like a dick. And then they take the balaclava. I'm saying, there, you look better now. I can see your bloody face. That's just how, I'm not a fan of, seeing young kids wear that kind of stuff in town. I just tell them how it is. Hello, bro. How are you? Saludos de Argentina. Hola. What's your background? A rusty fence? Yeah. Why? You gonna build me a new fence? Nah, it's not even mine. It's the landlord's problem. Where are we? Heading out. Enjoy the rest of your day. All good. Shredded. Have a good one, bro. Yeah, we're kind of in the wind down period of the stream, so I'm probably gonna go inside soon and have a cup of tea and a biscuit. It's cold. Yeah, my phone is going flat too. TikTok, so I won't be on much longer. Evening, Rocks. About to hit the bed. 3 a.m. here, bro. You should have been in bed like 4 hours ago. Still enjoying well. Yeah, I've been playing Remix. I don't know if I need to make a plate class to try and get tusks though. I think Rusty fits for it. I remember my neighbours ages ago, like years ago, was this relatively old Maori couple, and I as a male, may have come outside early morning to have a toilet because the toilet was unavailable, and there was a rusty hole right where my face was, and they looked at me and I went, and it just carried on. Then they just looked at me, cracked up laughing because they saw the steam on the side of the fence. Yeah. I just realized my face is like that. Thank you, Captain. I was like, oh, my bad. My bad. Okay, where are we? What's up, Jay? 666 viewers. Can someone either leave or someone join the stream? I don't want that number on the live, please. There we go, it's changed. Whew. Anyone would think I'm from Hampton Park. Thank you, Oscaros. Did I say your name right? I hope I did. I hope I did. How's it going? Yeah, not too bad. Well, yeah, we're in wind down period of the stream now. It's I think we've hit like the 3 hours that I normally do. Oh, yeah, my phone's on 5% TikTok. Well, it looks like a Muslim now. I'm just hairy Maori. Yeah. What happened to your gaming channel, brother? It's not Brox. I still stream on Twitch. I'm live right now. Are you Muslim, by the way? Nah, I only believe in my own gods, brother. I haven't gone to the barber. I don't really waste money like going to the barber because I don't really go clubbing or go out and do that kind of stuff. I don't have a social life other than when I go to TwitchCon or stuff. I'm mainly with my family majority of the time. Or going to the gym. Alright, TikTok. I have to end on TikTok live right here. I don't have a battery pack. No, I do, I just can't find it. That's all. But if you want to jump over to TikTok or to YouTube or Twitch, feel free to. I'm live there. But once again, TikTok, Arohanui, thank you very much for the love today. And cheers for the core there, Lewis, too. I love your jacket. Thanks, I've had it since 1995. It's my grandfather. So I'll see you all later. And if you don't want to join any of the other channels, that's fine too. Much love, and I'll see you over. Kakite. Yeah, I think 2 hours max is fine. Oh, I'm not leaving Twitch, I was just turning TikTok off because my phone's getting flat. I normally just do a TikTok live till the phone's flat. But how long have we been streaming for here? Like, oh, Jiggy, you should have seen it. The last 2 days, that's the slowest one we've had lately, which is good too. 3 hours? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a cup of tea and a biscuit time. The oldest thing I've got from my granddad is the gun he got in 1951. Oh, sure. Yeah, he gave it to me back then. But I was only young. I was born in 91. I was like, oh. My mum was like, what's he gonna do with a chicken like that? Yeah, he's gonna wear it. That's what he's gonna do. My grandfather was a very stoic individual. And yeah, I've had it ever since. And yeah, only recently it ripped on me. Fuck, I was so shattered. I need to take it to a seamstress. Is that it? No, Taylor. One of them. One of those people that fix clothes anyway. Have a good one, man. I'll catch you. All good, Remy. Go and have a good sleep, eh? So, Winfred. Yeah, now she's getting a bit Marku out here now, chat. I'll tell you that much. And it doesn't help that I haven't eaten yet, so I'm still fasting. I'm on stomach acid right now. We're running on them asses. But today has been a very eventful day. I'm glad we got that stuff done too. The rain is just starting to pick up as well. Who's there falling? You see me falling. I can't hear my phone. There's no one needed. Supposed to be doing a song with this guy. How we flex. Didn't you make a Twitch channel for gaming? Yeah, not Brooks. I think it's exclamation mark games or gaming. I was on it last night, just jamming. No, the night before, jamming some Destiny. Yeah, gaming music. Somewhere. So if you want to follow the gaming channel, there it is. Want to watch me absolutely whiff? That's where you see it. But yeah, I'll be playing a bit more Destiny these days, and continuing with RP. Trying to hang out more with CG. Gotta promote the gaming channel next time. Yeah. You said do think me constantly. Hold on. Destiny 2, my bro. Yeah. Playing Funnel Shake. Good bloody job trying to watch Bridgerton late. He's out cold. Have you tried Helldivers 2? Not in a while. Yeah. I can hear my phone. Alright, let me see. This one's different. Yeah. Got boring for me. Yeah, like after a while, just doing the same thing. Eh? Did you play Kingdom Hearts? Yeah, ages ago. I haven't played Kingdom Hearts in a hot minute. Yeah, in a bloody hot minute. Bitch. Oh, the new season for the finals is out. Yo, samurai vibes. Hello, gangs on whips, you wagon off. It is black 6x6. If I'm in a boost and the feds wanna kick on hot shot, leader jump out of this bitch. Evo went around, fucking interceptor. Mr. K's got attack. Kurt is a demon, don't let him pull rank. Francis on the flank, somebody's getting spanked. People on the crew when Flippy's involved. Mario as well, let's go. Randy and Rummy got the cops on the roll. Seeing TTG when it's fun like a roll. President P, I'm Barack Obama. Came to the boy, thinking like it's El Chapo. And told me try to empty the ammo. Man down when they saw Chawa and Taco. Bitch. We need a Broxy compilation. Whoever can do one, go ahead. You have my permission. Warning, you fall in for autumn. Chance of shame you'll be dead by the morning. Yo! Hello, Carp. Thank you very much for the 21 months, my brother. Almost 2 years. I remember watching on my old account in high school. We got another high school viewer. Recovering on the good vibes, stay positive. Never stop giving up 100% and love always. Hey, appreciate you, my brother. Yo, I've had people that have been watching since high school come up to me and they're like, adult son. I was like, fuck, I feel old. Like Lil Cap, he's a music artist I met through RP. He used to watch me from school too. And I'm like, bro. Hey, much love, brother. I never knew P Money from NZ. Oh yeah, so P Money the DJ and P Money the rapper from the UK. Yeah. And we got Bentley's extended family. You know, street team wanna buy a new whip, then come and buy these because we got imports and a VLC. Everybody doing that pronto do. Protect yourself. We don't do it slow. Switchblade on me not dipping and go. I get nervous when people go into high school and show up on my show. Oh my god, hi! Alright guys, that is gonna be us for today. I'm gonna finish the music there. Now, do you want to go to another Makers and Crafter? Or do you want to go see my daddy? Do you want to go see DYADDY? Another Makers and Crafter, he's want to go see my daddy. Your choice. No, I'm making his choice. Participation, please. Alright, no one's choosing, as usual. Alright, I'm gonna go send you to more. Oh, there we go. Gecko's coming in. Don't put them on me. Gonna send you to my daddy. Alright guys, have a good day. Thank you very much for tuning in today. Hopefully we get some good weather soon so we can put in a staining stream so we can stain it live. Tomorrow, I'm not sure. I gotta figure out what's going on with the funeral tomorrow, whether it's gonna be, you know, burial day or anything. But I will keep you posted. Yeah, so normally on the weekends, I've been doing 2-hour streams instead of 3. But for now, thank you very much for the aroha. If I'm live, it'll probably be on the other channel in the evenings. And I want to say thank you very, very much for hitting daily sub goal again today. Day 2. The longest we've been is for 6 days in a row. But aroha nui koutou katoa. I'll see you around and go show some love to my boy Cap. Have a good one. I'm going to have hot Milo and Tim Tams. Bye bye. See you later, YouTube. Ngā mihi.